Hey, this platform, Facebook, is giving free money to different people around the world, and a lot of us we are using Facebook without noticing that you can potentially start receiving free money on the platform. I am going to show you a few users who are receiving up to $30,000 on the platform. So this person right here, he asked for only $500, but he received more than $30,000 on the platform. So there are a lot of potential and there are a lot of opportunity for you to start receiving free money on the platform. All right, so right now we are going to try together and we're going to see how much we're going to make. But for me, I'll just ask you for only $4,000. That will be enough for me. So let's try together and see how much we're going to receive on the platform. Alright, so this is our first step. You have to go to Facebook and you can create your account if you don't have one, and you can write your name here and you can write your email, your phone number, your password. Then you have to sign up, and right here you have to enter your confirmation code. This code will be sent on your mobile phone, so you have to enter right here and you officially Facebook user. So this is our first step that you need to do. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can create, which usually takes like only few seconds for you to create a Facebook account. So this is our next step. You have to remember that it's really important to add your profile picture on your profile, because it's really important for them to know that who they're going to give their money to. So it's better to put your profile picture, and you have to make sure that you choose a good and nice profile picture. So this platform is giving completely free money to different people who are facing financial difficulty in education, health problems, and business. Let's say that you want to open your business but you don't have a capital, you don't have money to start with. It's okay, because this platform is there for you. It can help you to get free money and start whatever that you want to start in this year, because I know you have a lot of plans for this year. So this platform is just best for you. This is the reason that I say that this is like the best platform for you to get free money, because I've seen people, they're receiving up to $12,000 just for their animal treatment. I am going to show you this account right here. He asked for money and he received more than $12,000 just for his animal to get treated. So you can see that this is like the best platform. There are a lot of good people and kind people who are willing to help different people around the world, and if you try this, you can get free money on this platform. So let's go ahead and see our next step, and I think this is our final step, and let's see how much we're going to make on this platform. So all you want to do right now, you have to come to this left side and you have to scroll down, and then you have to click this place which is written as see more. Then you have to click fundraisers, and then you may want to have to click raise money. The good thing about Facebook is that you receive money in a very short time, because there are a lot of people who are using this platform. This is like the advantage for you to use Facebook to get free money. So before going on, you have to check this list. You have to see and you have to check if your country is on the list for all the countries that this program is available. So this is a list of all the countries that Facebook fundraising is available on the country. So right now, let's see if your country is available on this list, and we're just going to look from up to down. And if you're from America, Canada, Australia, and too many countries that you see with the ticks, you're lucky enough to start earning money on Facebook. So I came to realize I can find only one country from Africa, which is South Africa. So too many countries from Africa, they're not on the list. And if you're from Africa, it's too bad for us, because we really cannot make money on this program. This program is not available on too many African countries. I was actually thinking that I can make up to $4,000 just from this platform. I was planning to ask for only $4,000 for me, but it was really not good for me, because this program is not available in my country. I'm from Tanzania, Africa, and my country is not on the list, as too many African countries that they're not on the list. So it's really not easy for people from Africa to get access to this program. But if you're from South Africa, you are lucky enough. That means you can follow all the steps that I showed in this video, and you can be able to start receiving free money from good people and kind people on Facebook. So I'm gonna tell you this trick for you to start getting like free money in a very short time, because I've seen a lot of people, they just join on this platform but they really cannot get money. And if you're from USA or Europe, this is what you have to do to make sure that you get free money in a very short time. All you need to do is go on Facebook. You need to create your Facebook page, and you need to invite your friends to start to like your page. And after that, you need to connect with your friends on the page. You have to be posting like all the time on this page, and people, they get to know you. But also you need to engage with the other Facebook pages, and this will be more easy for you to get popular. And if you ask for any help, it will be more easy for you to get a donation from different people around the world. For any post that you're going to post on this page that you have just created, you need to add with your fundraiser link. It can motivate people to donate to you right after reading your post. So this is like the best and a very important thing for you to do if you're posting any post on that page that you've just created. Let's say that you're just going to post this post about yourself and say, this is me, I need to go to college, I don't have school fees and stuff like that. That can be a very easy way for you to get help, because people, they see your post, but also they're just going to see the link that you add on your post. This is a very important trick for you to get free money in a very fast way. You need to write a good story. What is that you really want that money for? That is really important, because I've seen a lot of people, they don't have amazing stories that can attract people to read those stories. So you have to explain the reason that you really want that money for. And if you do that, I'm pretty sure that kind people and people with good heart are really going to help you. So it's very important to be clear. You have to say, I need this money because of my education. I need this money because of my health problems. If you do that, I'm pretty sure that you can receive decent amount of money on this platform. I've showed you too many people, they ask you only for $500, but they end up making more than $12,000, $15,000. There are a lot of people on Facebook who can give you a lot of money. And the last thing that I want to tell you right now is that you are lucky enough if you are in the area that this platform and this program is available, because not too many countries, they are lucky enough to have this program. If you have this opportunity, you have to go ahead and ask for any amount that you want. It's really important for you to ask a little amount of money, because many people will be able to donate for you. So that's all you can do, and I'm pretty sure that you can get a lot of money. And it's really not going to take like too long, because this platform, there are a lot of people who are using Facebook, so they can see your story and they can be able to donate to you. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David. I wish you all the best and Happy New Year.